welcome to part 2 of the mall in Reading. So this was game number 2 of the morning, and if you have not seen part 1, I will leave an annotation and a link in the description. Now I tell you the game mode that we were playing, but I cannot exactly remember, but the game was rewritten anyway because all we did was play hide behind corners and throw grenades, because we were stuck at this corner the whole game. It didn't help when it was a complete stalemate, because whenever we advanced, grenades would be thrown in our way and then we would die and go back to respawn. And if they advanced, we'd throw grenades back at them and then they go back and respawn. It just felt like it ruined the gameplay. Grenades in of themselves are fine. However, it's not fine when you can constantly reload the fucking things when you die and repeat the never-ending cycle of grenade throws. If it was restricted to 1 grenade used per person per game, then maybe we could have had a good change to the gameplay. But anyway, enough of my ramblings, let's show you the gameplay.
We'll let you take the reins.
Back corner there, see if you can see anything.
No, you did, didn't you? Salah! Grenade! He's right by the door, right by the door. Right around the door, fellas. Whoa. Hit! Dead man walking! He's just moved across to the right side. Right side, Joel, right side. Whoa, grenade! He's ran back towards the right. One more player on the right side. Just ran across.
I think he just got shot.
There's one more. I shot one. The other one's gone. Whoa. Was that? Yeah, okay. Dead player coming out.
Whoa, ricochet! Whoa!
Yeah! Whoa, oh, come on. Was that necessary?
Nobody in! You'll have to come back later! Try knocking a little harder!
And that wraps up part 2, everybody. Sorry if it wasn't as entertaining as the first game, but we've got 4 more games to get through, and I am sure at least one of them will provide some exciting gameplay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Sergeant J signing out.